This is Bill from Warm Strong Adventures. Welcome into another video. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miami, port of, should I say. Today is embarkation day, and it's time to get on an MSC Seascape. To my returning viewers, welcome back. And to my new viewers, thank you for stopping by. Today, on the MSC Seascape, we will be boarding, and I'm going to take you every step of the way. From the buffet, to the cabins, to the drink package that I bought, especially just for this cruise. This cruise terminal is absolutely massive in size. Getting through security was a breeze. I love this new MSC terminal. Look, I'm eating some fish. This terminal is beautiful. And who doesn't love the walk up the gangway for the very first time on a ship? It was a little crowded, so I wasn't able to do my jump onto the ship for my very first step. Embarkation was smooth as always. I'm not gonna say always. I did have one problem out of New York, but it was a easy process with all the new technology. I was on the ship and having my first drink in about 35 minutes. One of the things I did notice as far as embarkation day, a lot of people didn't download the MSC app, and that slowed the line up. Not a lot, but it did slow the line up. So tip, make sure before you board the ship, do everything in the MSC app. It makes the process so much easier. First drink of the cruise, baby. This is one of those jobs around Carnival that I would never want to do for any amount of money. Yeah, no thanks. I hope some of my gratuities is going to this guy. The Seascape is slick and modern looking. It's beautiful all over. Hey, New York, New York. And for my favorite bar or lounge on the ship is the Loft Cafe. Friendly staff, best drinks on the ship. At night, they play jazzy music in here. My favorite spot. I'm getting a little hungry now. Let's check out some of these offerings. Now, I have to admit, later in the cruise, the buffet lines were mad long. Probably my least favorite thing about this cruise. Best pizza at sea, hands down. As you can see, there were tons of options. As we were in port, I noticed the Celebrity Beyond limping back into the port. Come to find out, it had issues and had to cancel its next cruise. And just look at this 3-story atrium. Lots of chrome and video screens everywhere.
Up, we're starting to sail away. Let me run up to the sail away party. Oh, okay. Just a few more shots of the sail away. This MSC terminal has to be the largest terminal in the world. To give you a quick view of the room. Hey! Boom. You'll get a full room tour, cabin tour a little bit later. To give you an idea, interior room, Seascape, just coming up here, tons of stuff up here, flyers, stuff like that. Whoops! Casino. See what the casino has to say. Shower, small shower. First night of the cruise, they had the silent party. Okay, back to Loft Cafe to close out my night.
I need no some nights to enchant me, but if you...
Okay, I lied. Maybe a quick stop at the Cabaret Rouge. what a great first day. We're wrapping it up. It's nighttime. It's about to head to sleep. Impression of MSC Seascape? She's a beauty. What a wonderful looking ship. The ship, it has layers. I mean, you got the infinity pool, you got the sparkling steps, you got all the chrome throughout every place. What a beautiful ship.